Welcome to your morning meditation for productivity. Let's start by coming into a comfortable position, closing our eyes, and focusing on our breath. Taking a nice deep inhale through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Now, as you come into this place where your body is feeling just a little bit more settled and rested, let's start to focus our thoughts on a past goal that you have accomplished. As we tune into past memories of success, we automatically strengthen our belief in our abilities. Find just one thing that brings you a sense of achievement, no matter how big or how small the situation was. Maybe it was a time when you really shined with a colleague. Maybe it was a time you completed a huge project. Or perhaps it was that one time you completed a task at home that has been nagging at you for the longest time. Now focus on the feeling that this brings you. How do you feel? Are you excited? Relieved? Just focus and tune into that feeling of winning. Slowly inhale and exhale. Now pick one thing that you'd like to accomplish today. Just one thing. Maybe you need to close a deal with a client. Maybe you want to organize your home. Or perhaps you need to find a creative solution to an obstacle you've been facing. Do you have that one thing? Now ask yourself, what can I do to make this task more enjoyable? Inhale and exhale. Let's start to dig a bit deeper and ask yourself, how does accomplishing this task serve you or the people around you? Maybe it'll mean that you have more time with your loved ones. Maybe it'll lead to financial gains or a deeper connection to people. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly start to think about how it feels inside of you to have this goal accomplished. Do you feel at ease, excited, or maybe you feel content? Let your body soak in this feeling. Maybe people and situations in your life came together to help you complete this task. And if so, send them your gratitude for helping you. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly start to focus on your breath again and commit to completing the task that you have chosen for today. And once you have completed this task, celebrate it. Inhale and exhale. Remember, you must take bold action towards accomplishing this task and see it as an opportunity to grow. Gently coming back to our breath again. We're going to breathe in for 4 counts and out for 4 counts. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly start to let your breath follow its general breathing pattern. Start to move your toes, wiggle your fingers. When you're ready, you may open your eyes, feeling ready to take on your day and work towards accomplishing that goal that you set. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.